Hi. So, I keep on parang nire-reminisce ko ng nire-reminisce yung way back 2017 na run, in which actually the whole running shenanigans started when I was in Baguio. I think that was 2010, 2011, 2012, mga ganyan. So, that was the first phase. I was in my 20s, early 20s back then. Then, same reason, medyo nag-gain ng weight. Then, nag-run. Then, pumunta ng Manila. Tapos nag-gain ng weight. Tapos yun na yung second phase. Tapos ito na yung ngayon, third phase. Parang share lang. And also, para alam mo yun, it's been, I don't know, more than decades na pala talaga akong nagra-run. Although, paputol-putol. Still, I guess, andun na yung kumbaga skill. So, yun. And it's fun. Enjoy ko talaga siya. Yun na nga, tuloy na natin yung story time. So, the first running bug that I got was when I was in Baguio, the early 20s. And, alam mo yun, sobrang nai-enjoy ko talaga. Parang running has been an escape. Trying to recall it now. Na hindi lang nilolook back yung 2010s. I mean, 2015, 2016, 2017. Wala lang, I used to run sa Burnham Park. Ang gantong oras din. Ayun. Tapos, nakakatawa kasi after shift, yun, nagra-running din ako. Tapos ngayon, running ulit. I mean, I guess what I'm trying to say is every time I do running, it is parang the happiest version of myself. So, ayun, I guess that's the message. Yun lang. Good morning.